In a world where ears were tiny detectives, they had one mission: to catch sound waves. Detective Earwig, the sharpest ear in town, was on a case. "I hear something fishy," he said, twitching. His partner, Earhart, replied, "Sounds like a wave of trouble." They followed the trail of vibrations, only to find a band of noisy crickets. "Caught you chirping red-handed!" Earwig exclaimed. The crickets shrugged. "We were just practicing for the big concert." Earhart chuckled. "Guess we cracked the case of the missing silence." And so, the ears returned to their peaceful listening.